I will show you how to figure out circle fifth graph. Okay, so this is C major scale. C major has nothing, so it's all white keys, so no sharps or flats. Okay, for sharp keys, you're gonna go fifth up each time. To figure flat, you go fifth down each time. Okay, so let's do C, D, E, F, G. G major. We have one sharp and seventh note of a scale has the sharp. Okay, so that's F sharp. We call it leading tone or leading note. F sharp, so one sharp on F sharp. Let's go to the next one. D, the seventh note of the scale is C sharp. So you have two sharps now, F sharp, C sharp. If you go to A major, seventh note of the scale is G sharp. So now you have three sharps, F, C, G. You build up on those. And E major, it's also fifth apart, A, B, C, D, E. The seventh note of the scale is D sharp. So you have now four sharps, F, C, G, D, so on. Okay, the same thing happening for those. All right, let's figure out flat keys. C, B, A, G, F. Now for flat, you're gonna take the fourth note of the scale for the flats. So major key was seventh note of the scale was the key signature. For flat, you take the fourth note, so it's a B flat. Okay, so you write B flat for one flat. Okay, let's go fifth. F, E, D, C, B. You put B flat because you already have flat here. Okay, so let's take the fourth note of the scale in B flat major. So it's E flat. Okay, so B flat major has B flat and E flat in a key signature. Next one, B, A, G, F, E, E flat. You put E flat because you have flat here. Okay. Fourth note of the scale is A flat, E, F, G, A. So that's why you have three flats, B, E, A. This is how you figure out the flat keys. And the easiest way to remember the sharps and flats are just remembering the order. So the sharp just looks like this, F, C, G, D, A, E, B on the music stuff. Just remember that shape, down, up, down, up, down. F, C, G, D, A, E, B. I just memorized the order, F, C, G, D, A, E, B. Sometimes school teaches fat cat goes down the alley eating bird. Eating bird is a little bit cruel, so I changed it to eating bread. Okay, but it's probably quicker to just remember F, C, G, D, A, E, B. For flats, it's actually reversed, but I just memorized B, E, A, D, G, C, F. But if you look at this one, it's backwards. B, E, A, D, G, C, F. Flats, the shapes are up, down, up like a zigzag. B, E, A, D, G, C, F on the music stuff. So I showed you the circle fifths, but this is the quickest way to figure out the key signature. Okay, so when you see a sharp on the music, we actually go backwards from the circle fifths I explained to you. Okay, so you read the sharp, last sharp you see on the music, and you go half step higher because this is the 7th note of the scale. This is the tonic. Okay, the first note of the scale. So F sharp, half step higher is G. So if you have 3 sharps, F, C, G, you take the last sharp, which is the G sharp, that's the 7th note of the scale. So you go half step higher, G sharp to the A, so it's an A major. So say if you have 2 sharps, F, C, so take the C sharp, and half step higher is, yes, D major, okay? For flats, it's easy, just take the second last one for the answer. So this one has B, E, A. So you take the second last one, which is the E, so it's E flat major. Okay, so if you have 2 flats, B, E, so you take the second last one, which is the B, so it's a B flat major. Now, if you only had 1 flat on B flat, okay, I just memorized it's F major, it's the quickest way. But if you forget, remember the circle 5th, the 4th note of the scale is the flat. So you just go 4th down. B, A, G, F. Okay? So here I explained to you the 4th note of the scale. F, G, A, B is the first flat. Okay? And then the next one is a little bit more advanced. To figure out the minor scale, you go 3rd down of this note. So C, B, A, it's an A minor. We call it relative minor because we share the same key signature. So it's like relatives. Okay? So if you have G major, G, F, E, E minor, they both share 1 sharp. For flats, F, E, D, D minor. Okay? And so on. So B, A, G, E, D, C, right? D, C, B, A, G, F. Now this is F sharp because you had sharp here, right? That's how it works. The another way to remember 3 steps down, you can think 3 half steps down on the piano. So C, 1, 2, 3, that's an A. So G, 3 half steps down. That's also another way to figure out the minor keys. So I hope that helped you understand a little bit about how the key signature works.